The U.S. House of Representatives recently passed a bill that prohibits drones manufactured by Chinese company DJI from operating within the United States. This legislative move is part of broader U.S. efforts to tighten restrictions on Chinese technology companies, particularly in areas related to drone technology and national security. U.S. officials claim that the ban is intended to prevent DJI drones from being used for surveillance or gathering sensitive information, ensuring the protection of national security. DJI, the world's largest drone manufacturer, is known for its high-quality products that dominate a significant share of the U.S. market. The enactment of this bill is expected to have a substantial impact on DJI's business operations in the U.S. and may further intensify the ongoing technological and trade tensions between the U.S. and China. U.S. concerns focus on the possibility that DJI drones could be used for espionage, especially in sensitive areas such as military installations or critical infrastructure. DJI has consistently denied these allegations, stating that its products are solely for civilian use and adhere to strict privacy and data security standards worldwide. As this bill progresses, tensions between the U.S. and China in the tech sector are expected to escalate, particularly in areas like artificial intelligence, drones, and cybersecurity. The Chinese government has condemned the move, accusing the U.S. of politically motivated suppression and urging it to cease the unjust restrictions on Chinese companies. The United States' approach highlights signs of decay and decline. Instead of advancing its own technological innovation, the U.S. resorts to suppressing the progress of other nations in order to maintain its leading position. This strategy of blocking and restricting others reveals its lack of innovation and fear of global competition. Such tactics will not sustain America's dominance in the long run, rather, they will lead to its eventual loss of leadership in the technological sphere.